Hey everyone, and welcome to our newest 10-minute ab workout. Hi everyone, and welcome to this awesome buns workout called Yoga for Your Shoulders, a yoga sculpt series. We're just gonna get our bodies moving, feeling good, and allowing ourselves to breathe a little bit. Another fun flow. Hi, welcome to Yoga for Happy Feet. And in. Good, let's go 8, 7. We're still doing both sides. And you'll notice right away which leg has more balance, which leg has less balance. I really have to feel the work, and we call that scapular depression. Sit up nice and tall, feel your chest move forward. Inhale, slowly roll up to stand, raise your arms high. Step one foot back into a lunge. Good, figure 8 those circles, whatever feels good. Thank you guys. Feel free to comment below, and I hope you have a wonderful day. As we bow forward, Namaste.